On the left here, we have how you might do this in Inventor to get to a complete engineering bill of materials. The goal here is I want to add one part to the BOM that I don't have a drawing for, in this case, Loctite. On the right side is how I would do it in Vault. So let's take a look at how we do it in Vault, right? I start from my CAD file. I go to my item, right? There's my part number for this. I can edit that item by opening it up, pressing the edit button, right? Edit is kind of like checking out the item, right? There's its bill of materials. I can edit. I can add a row to the BOM, and all I have to do is search. I know I want to add Loctite. I don't know what the part number is. I know it's Loctite red. There it is. It's on my list. I add it, and then if I need to, I can change the quantity, and I'm done, right? 40 seconds or so, and I have my BOM done in Vault. Now, on the left side in Inventor, we're kind of even just getting started. I started out looking at the BOM and how am I going to do this? Is it a part? I need to make an empty part. I think I'll go with the virtual component route. So now I add the virtual component. Now I've got to come in here and I've got to give it its part number and description. I don't know what those are off the top of my head, right? So now I call up another system like Fusion Manage, put in the Loctite, search. I see essentially the same results, but now I'm copying and pasting part numbers and descriptions onto the virtual component. And eventually I get all of that in, then I can save my assembly, and then I can export the bill of materials. And now after, more than a minute later, eventually I might have my BOM both complete and available outside of CAD. That's the other thing, right? With Vault Item Master, the BOM is available without any access to the CAD data. To get to that same spot in Inventor, I had to dig up part numbers, copy and paste, export the BOM, and now it's available outside of CAD, right? It's almost a minute and a half later, right? And we're just now getting there, right?